When I took on the CISO position at GÉANT, even I needed time to find the essential security information. It was crucial to start attending the meetings where I could build up my network and find the many spaces created by our community to share experience and knowledge. Hi, I'm Alves, the Chief Information Security Officer at GÉANT. Are you also wondering how to get going? I suggest to start by joining our community training like the CLAW or the Transits or the many excellent initiatives promoted regularly by our community. Keep an eye on our events website where you can find the latest information. Meet your peers and who knows, maybe your mentors too, by attending our meetings like the FC CERT or the CSM or the Security Day at our annual conference, TMC. Make use of the resources created by our community, like the Security Baseline, a framework dedicated to self-assessment and awareness of the security maturity level of your organization. This essential document can support your internal development around security, highlighting the weak areas and give you guidelines on how to improve. Finally, I suggest you to visit our security website and find more information about training, events, insights, and the latest news. Going back to our Cybersecurity Month campaign, I hope that this year's initiative had empowered you with knowledge and tools to protect yourself and your organization and become a cyber hero.